invincible. Oops. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Thursday. I hope everyone's had a great night and ready for a great day. Give me 1 second here. Boom, 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 boom. All right. And chat. There it is. Not sure how I didn't pin that, but okay. There we go. All right. Now we're ready to go. I think. So markets overnight. Markets went wild on FOMC, up and down, all around, very choppy. Then they decided to rise up overnight, pull back a little bit. Our low in ES 69.85, our high 70.29. So 29 and 15 will be 44 points in range. NQ 280 for a high, for a low 0.85. So that 195 points in range. Copper went wild last night, as metals are tending to do anymore, and I'm not even sure how many ticks that is. It's a lot. Ultra Bond dropped, popped, just about a point in range. Gold, all-time high. Stop me if you've heard this one before. It's gotten up to 56.26.8. It did roll to a new contract. About 180 points in range. Crude oil, suddenly a comeback, highest price we've seen in a long time. And that means gas should be going up. And natural gas is heading upwards this morning. Bitcoin just can't get a run. Bitcoin, not at all. 80, sitting right under 88K. So that's where we sit standing over whatever body posture you're choosing to take on this cool, crisp Thursday morning. You got jobless claims coming up in a little more than 25 minutes. And Q pushing downward. So far looking like a red day on NQ. We shall see. Hey, Czar, how you been? That's a good one, Paul. Good morning.
Connection lost.
We are choppy as heck right now. Gold on the 5-minute. Hey, Tris, good to see you. Oh, wow. That's disturbing, Paul. Glad to hear you're green. And Q pushing upwards here. Gold heading down. That's odd. $8,500? Wow, that would be something. And now gold's being very choppy while Q's popping up nicely. Bot just took a trade on gold off the 5. Struggling to get through that support right there. Or that other candle popped down to that half an hour ago. Pushing through. Wow, it hit its target. The bot's target on that was 101 ticks, and it got it. Hey, sire. Not only did it get it, I mean, it blew through. Wow. Crazy move down here. This is 15-point candle on the on gold. What was interesting is that was a purple candle on micro gold. It was not on regular gold. So if I had had that on regular gold, it would not have taken that trade. NQ pulling back here, the 10-point candle, purple. Gold still heading downward. Oh yeah, that's why crude's spiking. Good point. Yeah, crude's up to 65.
Order filled.
Really? On what? Oh, NQ. Okay. I don't agree with that, but bot can do what it wants. Block got its target. So I'm running a gold bot and I'm running an NQ bot, both on micros, 3 micros on each, and I'm running them on separate Apex evals. If everything goes well today, I'll increase to 5 micros tomorrow. Gold trying to climb back up. $10 until our news of the day. Big move down there on gold. NQ trying to climb up. Yeah, don't be doing that. Crypticon, good morning. How are you?
Order filled.
Why isn't that showing? Oh, I know. There we go. That was a nice win on gold. 3 contracts on micro gold for 5 points. Come down. Q's nice pop, but we're going to stay flat now probably. Okay, see you, Crypt. Nice seeing you. I'm glad you stopped in. Hey, Jay. Good to see you. Staying warm? What were you doing yesterday?
Extra read all about it. News in a few minutes.
That doesn't sound like fun. News here coming up. Oh, did they tip you at least? Good.
Target filled.
Target filled? What just happened? What just happened? Oh, wow. So gold entered a trade on the bot and immediately hit target. It was a 7-point target. U.S. jobless claims, 209K. They forecast 205K. Trade balance, negative 56.8 billion. The forecast was negative 44 billion. That is a huge miss. A wild market. Jay? Hey, John. Good morning. So the gold bot is already up $466 today on just 3 micros. Which means it would be up almost 1,500 if it was on 1 mini. Because I forgot to change it, sire. News is all correct. I just forgot to change the date. Gold bounces. You're one of the few that actually look on that. You don't know how many people, I have that over there all the time. You don't know how many people come in here and ask, do we have news today? No, I didn't stream last evening. Why? It's only Mondays. I traded last evening but didn't stream. Gold heading back up and Q heading up. Oh, gold back down. Wow, down hard. I believe I'll have everything in place next week, though, that on the Discord, you'll be able to watch all my trading 24/7. I won't be like verbalizing everything, but I'll be the charts will be up on the Discord. I didn't accuse you of hitting the like button. No.
Hey everyone! It's time to gore the like button.
Oh, the live button, not the like button. Okay, I got you. I misread that. And no, I did not stream last night, John. I only stream Monday nights. traded last night. At TNL, you see up in the left-hand corner is actually from last night.
Order filled.
Oops. Took that on the wrong account.
Order filled.
All right, got out of that. Let's see, did I knock my strategy off? I did. Okay. Now let's get onto the right accounts. There we go. It just rolled yesterday, Paul. It's April contract. I don't exactly know what symbol that is though. Let's see if I can figure it out. Hold on. That would be MGCJ 26. Oh, yeah, I need to change that graphic. That graphic's like a year old and I never changed it. A lot of changes coming to MightyOxTrading soon. A lot of changes. About 17 minutes to the top of the hour. I can see if she's interested in coming back. That's a good question. I assume silver rolled. Let me look at the chart. Hold on. Maybe silver didn't roll. Hold on. No, not going Hollywood. Just we're making some changes to try to increase some viewership, and just I need to start doing more non-live stuff and all that. Silver. Hold on. S I. SI is March. Paul. Nice, John. You know they're not Apexes are 90% off right now, right? Look at this nice run on gold. Copper is. Oops. Wait, it's not telling me. I don't know. Hold on. Copper is. Also March. My God, John, when you get out of that job and can start trading full time with all those accounts, your wife's got to have to figure out new ways to spend your money. Lucid's 40% off right now. No sale on Tradeify. TPT, of course, is 40% off, like it always is anymore. John, you're getting to where I'm hoping Ace can get to if he can get over that mental hurdle of passing prop firm challenges. Main thing I don't like about Earn to Trade, Sire, is their DLL. Um, it fails you. And if you accidentally use too many contracts, it locks you out for the day. Whereas almost every other prop firm just blocks you from using too many contracts. They lock you out for a day. And then the other weird thing about them, their eval and their sim funded is end of day, but when you go live, it's intraday. Yeah, Earn and Trade was my first love in this industry. I actually was the moderator on their Discord for years. And then, as they refused to change along the way, I kind of started getting on them. Well, the thing is, they have a very short sim funded, sire. On the Gauntlet Minis, you can only make $5,000, and then they put you on live. Oh yeah, they do not allow copy trading. No copy trading with them at all. I mean, they could be the leader account, put it that way, but they cannot be a follower account. Their trader career path is still probably the most unique idea in futures prop firms, and I'm shocked that no one's ever copied it. See a pullback here in NQ? I'm late, or I would have taken that. No, I'm not that late.
Order filled.
I'm in at 191. I just want 186, but let's see what it does. That's not showing up. What kind? Why isn't that showing up? Hold on. It's going against me a little bit. I would be profitable in this trade right now if I had gotten in at the right time. But I got in 2 points late. Yeah. And a good part of that is based out of the, I'm going to get stopped out.
Order filled.
That sucked. Based in the UAE. Yeah, there's very few countries they block. Only the ones that have sanctions against them.
Order filled.
I'm trying to get too fancy here, I think. Maybe not. Come on back up for me, baby.
Order filled.
There we go. Small win there. 18 ticks on gold there. Sire, I don't think it is for Earn to Trade. Earn to Trade is one of the oldest companies in the business, actually. They were like the third company around. They've been, I think they're in business 9 years. They are also registered in the United States. They have an LLC out of Wyoming. So I'm totally comfortable with them. They moved some stuff to the UAE, but it's like not everything. It's kind of weird, but yeah. Notice on that NQ trade, if I put my stop at the right spot, which been above the wick of that last candle, I would still be in that trade and I'll be winning. Hey, JC, how are you? Oh yeah, crude's running. Its market opens here in about 5 minutes. That's probably the highest we've seen in months. Let me look. Yeah, this is the highest we've been in crude oil since September 26th, when it hit 66.42. Doing good, doing good. This that short of gold. Oh wait, okay. Huh. Why did I take that? Everything going good with the grandkids, JC? Yeah, that's definitely a good tip, John. I'm not Rod Casilli's biggest fan, but he makes some good points. I can imagine, JC.
Order filled.
Took the long off the blue candle on NQ. It's not doing what I wanted to do though. Honestly, hoping for some top of the hour wonkiness that would cause it to just burst up. But no, this looks like it's gonna come down on me. It's not doing anything. Someone poke NQ with a stick. Morning, RJ. Okay,
Order filled.
stop me out. Yeah, that was a bad read on my part, honestly. Ron, good morning.
Stop filled.
Stop felt where? Oh. Oh, the bot took that trade too. That's right. Oops. NQ heading down here pretty quickly. Strong 30-point candle down. I hate it. The bot's going to take this purple candle that you see on NQ. My evening stream gets more viewers than my morning stream anymore. Maybe I just need to do all evening streams.
Order filled.
Oh yeah, I took the short on NQ on that big purple candle, which I hate. And choppy here. Hey, Ace. I should have kept the bot out of this chop, but on gold. This trade's gonna hurt it bad. Damn it. Yeah. Actually, the problem here with okay, we just got stopped out there and gave back a huge amount of gains. But I don't understand why it didn't take that first purple candle. Taking the first purple candle, we would have been good. In fact, they would have got the win. So I gotta look at that. And gold running. Yeah, I'm not sure where Paul got to. He did do a joke. Wow, look at gold running. That's a 10.1 minute candle. 20.5 minute candle. Wow, this gold just going. I don't know what lit a fire under it, but wow.
Order filled. Order filled.
Gold trade there. Why didn't it show? What the heck? Oh, took it on the wrong account again. No, I took a gold short there for about 4 points. One of these days I'll get these accounts right. That sounds pretty cool.
filled.
Took the short off that candle. Not feeling the greatest about it though. Oh, here it comes. 50, 54. Yeah, that's about right where it's at.
Order filled.
There we go. 5 points on 3 micros, $150 trade.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner!
Oh, wow. I guess it's probably hard to find food when everything's frozen, so it's probably pretty desperate. Hey, USC. That's true, USC. Hey, excuse me. Yeah, sadly. These are the times that try men's souls. NQ still, I mean, gold still pressing downward. Yeah, we'll see what the open brings. My bot's in a short trade on NQ, so it'd be nice if it started trending downward. Just gonna let it hold through the open if it's still open then. The P&L you see in the upper left-hand corner is no bot at all. That's 100% me between last night and this morning. How's the bus doing, Ace? Getting any better? Being less late? Oh yeah, I saw that nor'easter. You got the. It looks like the northeast is getting lucky. That thing's expected to become a bomb cyclone with comparable to a Category 2 hurricane. But it looks like, for the most part, it's going to stay off the coast besides that brush with the Carolinas. I always hated assigned seats. Ooh, big pop, pure gold again. Well, I ever played Call of Duty once in my life. I'm not good at shooting games. I made a shot at Ricochet and I got a headshot on myself. Which is why I fear actually getting a real gun. Can't keep a good gold down. There it comes back up. Wow. Look, gold just go. Every time you think it's going to come down, it doesn't come down.
Target filled.
Oh, bot hit its target on MNQ. So there you go. I did not want the bot to take that trade off that big old purple candle, but I guess the bot knows more than I do. Thanks, Jay.
Two minutes till the bell.
Morning, Teo. Ouch. Bang my elbow again. I keep banging my elbow on this freaking desk. Yeah. Well, the bot took a. I should have killed the bot before the markets opened. It got nailed there. Big move down there on gold. The open. NQ pops. Russell pops. Dow's popping. ES is popping. Crude still going up. Silver pulling back. Euro had a nice rebound. Oh, then of course now it comes down. Everything pulling back. Ace is short. Ace is hot. Did you get your two? Everything's wonky right now yet. Nothing's giving direction.
Remember, 2 ES points a day can feed your family.
There's a diff on gold. Every Dow is very happy. Everything else is sad. Bot's gonna take a trade on gold here. I don't know if I want to do the same or not. That's a huge candle. Free fall in gold. Bounces though. And Q free falling too. And Q low a day. Bot has a target of 35.6 on gold.
Target filled.
Wow, Bot just got a 15-point trade on gold. 50.6 to 55, sorry, 5550.6 to 5535.6. And there's the bounce. Meanwhile, NQ just dying. There's your trend, Jay. It's downward. About ready to break 26,000 here. Well, new low day 26,004. Big bounce on gold. Wow. So that whole candle just went back to green. Bach got lucky. The goal is to get my first payout next month. The accounts, like the P&L you're seeing right there, those are evals yet. The bot's running on an eval, but I'm probably going to put the bot on at least one funded account tomorrow, maybe. I am really close to pass. Well, I shouldn't say really close. The goal is to pass these 4 my funded futures evals this week yet, and then roll it into next week with over 30 funded accounts. And once all the I already have one my funded futures account funded. So the goal is to get to the 5, and then to copy trade them all together with a goal of making I mean, I like to make 600 a day because you can get $3,000 per payout at 50%. So I like to do every 10 days making $6,000, taking out 3. But we'll see. Don't want to count my chickens before they're hatched. Gold trying to come down here. NQ just dead, dying. Broke 26,000, under 25. Part of me thinks this is where we're going to start to fall. Like, big, huge pullback in the market for days and weeks. no, we didn't get any rate cut, and the markets probably needed a pullback. So I could see us, losing a couple thousand NQ points. But I would even if I had $1 million right now, I wouldn't bet the house on it. I wouldn't, put a bunch of money on that bet. Bitcoin falling, crude rising, silver falling, Dow pulling back. Bot's going to take another short on gold here, it looks like. What are we lowing? Oh yeah, we're having a huge drop on everything.
Order filled.
I took a short on YM. Needs to get through its 9 on the 5. Now it's looking to break 200, 49, 200. Oh, bounce. Damn it. Bounced on 200. Okay, so we'll put our target on 200. Now maybe we won't. Stuffy greedy yucks. There we go. Target hit. 52 ticks on YM. I believe that's a $260 trade. Not copy traded because I did not have the copy trader set up.
That's a winner.
Excellent, RJ. NQ's already broken yesterday's low. This ox is on fire.
Target filled.
And the bot hit its target too on gold. Oh my god, the bot. The bot on 3 gold micros today, guys. and it's only been running an hour and 46 minutes, is up $1,208. Go, RJ, go. Yeah, great entry there. I waited till the 5 minute. I keep telling myself I should wait and just let the whole 5 minute candle run, which I would be absolutely. This would be an amazing trade if I had. But I hate seeing a trade go big in the profit and then pull back. See a little bit of a bounce on NQ. $372. So, wow. You're up nearly $1,500 a contract. Both NQ and gold bouncing here. That's awesome, RJ. So glad to hear that. Congratulations.
Order filled.
Took a long here on MNQ. This could be bad, though. Could come right back down on me here. Looks like it is. Ouchie. It's only 3 micros. Only 3 micros. Come on back. Nope, it's going to nail me.
Order filled.
Ouch. So that went bad. I went backwards on that. Now watch, because I didn't put. Technically, my stop should have been down all the way to the bottom of that green candle, of the wick. So see, it's coming back, and I might just jump right back in. Yep.
Order filled.
So we're gonna try again. It's probably gonna stop me out again. Yep, I shouldn't have tried again. That was stupid. This is where I get myself in trouble, and I gotta stop. Yeah, stopped out twice. So that was really stupid of me. Really stupid. I hate that. That's just gonna kill my momentum now. Fuck. I just cooled down majorly there. That was just dumb, 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 dumb. I'm glad I didn't put my stop all the way down the bottom of that candle because although the two stops probably equal more than the one stop would have. ATR in the 1 minute is 31. Yeah, everything's not happy right now.
Order filled. Order filled.
Didn't do what I wanted it to do there. Damn it. Well, it did. I just didn't. It didn't go as far as I'd hoped. Struggling with the 9 on the 1. The 9 to the 9 to the 1 to the 1. Got news coming up. Factory orders.
Extra read all about it. News in a few minutes.
NQ now down over 400 points from its high. Unless I missed them, no JJR today. Hey, I'm Matt. How you doing? Sorry to hear you're sick. Factory orders 2.7. Forecast was 1.6. That was a pretty big beat. You got that beat. You got that beat. Gold falling hard too. Oh, I'm sorry, JJR. I didn't mean to miss you. Wow, everything is dying. That positive news didn't even help. Wow, gold just whipped down, broke 5,500. See, I had a feeling gold was going to come down some because of the contract roll. I didn't think it was going to be this much.
Order filled.
Wait, what? How did I get in at 800? What? Ouch.
Order
Well,
filled.
that hurt too. I am just going backwards all types of ways. So, a good day has gone bad.
Order filled. Order filled.
There we go. So, I said, let's screw it. And I actually went to a 1 minute chart and looked for this blue candle. And apparently I didn't take that on any. Okay, so you can't see it. But anyway, and wow, I got lucky. Holy henna. I entered at 797, targeted the EMA, which was at 822. So that was a 25-point trade there that I got. And you can now see what my P&L is at the top of the $500 trade. So I just erased all the damage I did in those last 3 trades. That was one regular contract. 4 my funded futures evals copy traded. Trying to get all 4 to the point where I could pass them tomorrow. No, they're still the old cores. I've had them for a couple of months. I think the rapid plans are stupid. Honestly, I mean, other firms are giving you 1 day pay, or payout. We can get paid out every day for no additional cost. My funded futures wants you to pay for the privilege. No, I shouldn't say that. I mean, they're good plans. Jay, I didn't mean anything like that. I'm just saying, I guess I don't like the concept that they're making you pay extra for something that other companies are offering free. Is all I'm saying. They're still good plans. And My Funded Futures is still a top 3 firm, I believe.
Order filled.
That's what I want, right? So yeah, I apologize, Jay. I wasn't trying to make you second guess yourself there at all. AQ can't find any sustained move up here. Gold neither. Wow, gold down to 54, 34. Wow, what a drop.
Order filled. Order submitted.
I don't remember saying your name. Watching gold trying to bounce up here. NQ was trying to bounce up and then came back down. Both rejecting down.
Stop fill.
Just an absolutely insane sell-off today. I don't know. I had a feeling, but I didn't really play it. Obviously, if I would just go short, I would be big money now.
Fill. Order canceled.
Wow, gold just breaks 5,400. Gold now has like a, hold on, 626 was the high, so it now has like a 236 point range. Have a great weekend, RJ. Great trade today. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Teo, you got RJ's paperwork for the day off tomorrow?
Order filled.
How far is gold going to fall? We may never bounce. We may never bounce. More bounce to the ounce. Or maybe we will now.
Order filled. Order filled.
Just took a trade on the wrong account, got out with a win. I'm getting got a little lucky there. I'm just playing with an Apex eval right now, so that's why you're hearing order fill and all that. But I did just scare myself and took a trade on my funded futures that I didn't mean to take.
Order filled. Target filled.
We got target on the micro trade. And come on, come on, come on. Let's get ridiculous. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Let's get ridiculous.
Order filled.
Okay, took that one off as well. So I got an MNQ and an NQ trade on an Apex eval. One for 12 points, and the NQ trade ended up being 23 points. So that was pretty good. Playing that bounce. Technically, the bounce isn't even finished yet on the 5-minute chart. Hey, MR. Okay. Looking for that instead of panning for gold could cost them a lot of money.
Order filled. Order filled.
Nice. That was a 34-point trade off this candle here. That was on the My Funded Futures. You see that's now up to 1363. So I'm getting close to consistency, so I think I'm going to have to take that one off the copy trader and put something else on it. Except for allowing myself to get into to revert to a couple bad habits during that drop where I was trying to reverse too soon. I really feel like I'm at the point where I'm reading the market so well. All right, I should say reading the market, reading my indicators, I guess I should say. Reading the market is more for those people that use order flow, and I respect people that can use order flow because I can't. But reading my indicators and the way I'm looking at the candles now. I really believe you all need to be prepared to be here one day next month. I don't know the exact day, but y'all need to be prepared to be here to celebrate what will be my first payout. Probably more toward the end of the month. It could even be beginning of March, but it's coming. Yeah, we'll see about that. Probably. You've been speaking a lot more lately, Jay. It's been good to see. So it's not interfering with your trading. I do hate when the chat goes silent, but I don't want anyone to ever feel like they have to chat if it's interfering with their trading. I'll probably do some giveaways, JJR. Uh, Lucid giveaways are the easiest for me, but let's see if I can get anything else. Yeah, that's true, Paul. Whatever company it ends up being, whether it's Tradify, My Funded Futures, or Apex, I'll try to get giveaways for whatever company ends up being my first one. Yep, that's the goal. Honestly, it's not going to be Apex because I have a strategy with Apex. My strategy before I ever ask for a payout is going to be to get like a huge balance first, so they can't stop me and put me on a live before I get my huge amount in sim first. So it's probably going to be My Funded Futures or Tradify. I'd love for it to be Tradify, so I got to put some more emphasis on the Tradify accounts. I really like Brett. Brett Simba's awesome. Wow. Oh, well, this could be interesting. Oh, no, never mind. Gold's still falling. My bot hasn't taken any trades because it hasn't even gotten a engulfing candle recently. I mean, look at that 5-minute chart of gold. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 straight red candles, and this one's the biggest. This one's holy Hannah. It is a 136.5-minute candle on gold. That was a 127-point candle on a 1-minute chart. He's been promising me an interview now for 18 months. MR. Okay, even I can't trade gold right now, not even 1 micro. My God. Natural gas inventories are coming up for those of you that might trade natural gas, and for those of you who need some Pepto-Bismol. A reminder: the government shutdown could occur again tomorrow. I guess it's not tomorrow. I guess Saturday. I've noticed that as well, and I probably should have taken along there, but even so, I mean, like I said, gold is just absolutely insane right now, so I don't really. I mean, it bounced 100 some points. It got down to 126, bounced back up to 252. What will interfere with her trading? Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah, I forgot about that. Yeah. And the bot didn't take the short. It should have. Unless I'm missing something. Yeah, I would have taken. I didn't notice the 5 minute there. That would have been a great short there off that purple candle. That would have been perfect. 25 points. But I expected the bot to take that. I don't know. Maybe it didn't get that close. Yeah, purple candle was perfect. Absolutely perfect. NQ now below 25,700. Gold back again below 5,200, although there's big bounce there. On the 1 minute chart, these candles on gold are 38 points, 20 points. It's just absolutely insane. Matter of fact, there's an ATR right now on the 1 minute chart of gold of 52 points. That's insane.
Order filled. Order filled.
Wild, wild day here. There's probably lots of blown accounts today, and there's probably a few people that have made a whole crap ton of money. How is everybody today? Red, green, or somewhere in between? There's a bounce on gold. There's a bounce on NQ.
Order filled.
Oh, NQ bounce not sustained. Oh yeah, I don't think it's gonna be done for months. I see us going to 21,000. I see Bitcoin falling to 60. Bad day, Paul? I actually exited most of my ETFs because I'm buying my house. So I'm using some of the money for that, and then I'm gonna re-enter. So it's actually good for me if it comes down hard
Order filled.
because I then I can buy them back at a discount. Get a Stream Deck. I need to start using the Stream Deck, but yeah, the Stream Deck is really good. Silver had a huge fall as well. Ultra Bond rising hard. Crude pullback. Not much positive in the market today. And Q trying to break 25.5.
Order filled. Order filled.
Ouch, really? About 15 minutes left to go in the stream. Wild day today. Wild, wild day.
Order filled.
Good question. It says it's only 2% on goal right now. I think a circuit breaker is at 7. I think it'll have to fall much further. Not sure what silver's is at. Let's look. Silver's, oh, well, silver's almost 4%, so that could be something. I don't. My funded futures had released some sort of tool, but I don't remember what it was. And now it's been a while since we've talked circuit breakers. I don't think we've ever talked circuit breakers on metal. It's always been NQ and ES. Yeah, actually, circuit breaker, my funded futures is on. I don't know how well it works or anything, but yeah, it's on there on TradingView. I just don't know how anyone's even trading gold right now. How do you trade things that are doing 21.1 minute candles? I mean, these are literally $3,000, $2,000, $3,000 1 minute candles. I don't know how anyone's even trading it right now.
Order filled.
I mean, it's moving just as fast on a tick chart or whatnot. I'm just saying it's moving so much money at one time is the point, whether you're using ticks or candles or anything. I mean, it's literally moving at a pace of times $1,000 a second. It's back above 52. But that said, now you got me wondering. Let's look at where's my GC chart? Let's look at a tick chart. So I can do that in NinjaTrader. Let's look at no idea what would be appropriate. Let's see, a 500 tick chart. Not sure it's any different for me. It's a We'll go back to our 5-minute chart. Thank you. Beautiful, MR. Beautiful. Bitcoin down under 85K now. Gold's trying to show a little life. Uh, you're fine, MR. No, there's no teachers here that's gonna grade you. Robin's a teacher, but I think she taught math. Sure, if I put an ad out for one, we'll have like 1,000 applications. Big pop there on NQ.
Order filled.
Took a long on the Apex account I'm playing with. Now I wish I had taken it on an account that mattered. Well, I mean, it matters. It's an eval. But no, I took it on 2 micros.
Order filled.
Got 22 points there. No, 24 points. No, 26 points. Eventually my math will work out. Yeah, very good day. Very, very good day. Although a bunch of it's from last night, but still. The gold bot, which hasn't taken a trade in like over an hour, is up 1,200. Crude bouncing. All right, folks, we've had an adventurous day. It is time for us to depart. I do want to thank everyone for joining me today. We'll be back tomorrow to wrap up the week at 8 a.m. Eastern Time. Hope you all have a great rest of your day. Be careful with this volatility. Bye.